Okay guys, so remember in the last video I told you guys that I was having problems with the truck with some electrical issues, the battery going down and the alternator and all that crap. Well, we found the problem. Let me show you guys. Open the hood. So I did take it to an electrician because I got frustrated trying to find the problem. He checked the battery and the alternator. He said everything was good, but then after doing a little bit more of checking, ended up being this wire right here, where these wires go, like where this black thing's at. It was down there, and the header was burning the wire from the alternator, which is this wire. So that's what was making my truck act up. So we ended up fixing that with some zip ties so it won't hit the header no more, and the truck runs 100% again. So like honestly, I wasted money on the alternator, but I didn't need a new battery. But I mean, it's okay because this alternator has more amps, so it's gonna help my sound system and the lights and everything that I have. So it's good. So now we're gonna wash it again because look how dirty it is. And I haven't even used it, guys. It's just dirty from sitting there, just parked. That's the only bad thing about having a black car, a black truck, and it just gets dirty. So now we're gonna wash it. My brother, he said that it's gonna be a little car hangout later on today, so we might go. But if not, we're going to a different hangout later on tonight. So yeah. Alright guys, so right now I ended up not going to that car hangout, so that's why I didn't record nothing of that. But right now I'm about to pull up to my uncle's house because he's gonna help me put that trim on the side of my truck. This one, look, that trim, he's gonna help me put it on. Man, these roads are ugly, but yeah, I'm about to pull up to his house. He's gonna help me put it on, and I'll record so you guys can see what's up with that.
Hours later, o sea, 3 horas después.
Alright guys, so here are the little pieces that me and my uncle cut up for the 454. But unfortunately I can't put them on because the weather is a little fresh and it makes these get really hard. So I have to wait until they get soft when it's hot. But today we're working on the Daytona because it's misfiring. So I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs and the wires. I already removed the spark plugs. So right now I'm gonna go to the store, get new spark plugs, and also I'm gonna get the EGR valve because it's saying that I have a bad EGR valve. So yeah, check it out guys. So I got the EGR valve as warranty. Got the little gaskets over here. And I got all 16 spark plugs as warranty because I had bought the Champion Series and these have a 5-year warranty. And I bought them like maybe 2 years ago. So I got all of them free by the warranty. And these I did buy them because mine are all toasted. Like especially I think it was this one. It came loose and I had to redo it. But I might as well just replace them all. Supposedly these ones are the best out there. This brand, whatever. Paid $71 for them. And I like them because they already give you all which one goes to where, like this, like that. So it makes it a lot easier. But yeah, guys, so right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all the new spark plugs in there. These are already gapped how they're supposed to be, so I'm just gonna put them in there, and then I'm gonna replace the wires, and then I'm gonna put the new EGR valve. So yeah. All right, guys, so I already put out 16 spark plugs. Spark plugs. So up next, I'm gonna choose the wires, and then I'm gonna put the EGR valve. The only hard part about changing the spark plugs on this truck is getting into these back ones. From this one and that one, these two, well, four, they're fucking hard to get. But I already did it. So now, got just the wires. There you go. What I like about these wires is that they tell you the number. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8. And then it's 1, 3, 5, 7. So like this one, it's a 2. So it touch you right there, 2 and 3. So the wire's gonna go all the way over to the other side, all the way to number 3, which is this one. And there you go, there's the number right there. So I like that. And then they also give you extras just in case one goes out, whatever. So gonna be saving those. Up next, let's put the EGR valve and the intake, and that should be done. All right, guys, so she's fixed. She's a little dirty, but that's okay. But yeah, guys, it's already working good. I also replaced the EGR valve. That's why I don't have no more check engine light. Ugh. The lamp out is because I have LEDs on my truck, so that's why it's throwing code, but that's all right. So now I'm gonna park my truck over here because I'm gonna wash the 454. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it with this video. Right now I'm just gonna wash my 454, but pretty sure you guys don't want to see that. I already did a video of doing that, so I'm not gonna record it. So yeah, my 454 is finally fixed. We fixed that wire that was killing the alternator and the battery. And then my truck started misfiring out of nowhere. And since I have the Diablo Sport tuner, I was able to get in it, and it was telling me that cylinder 6 was misfiring. So when I checked the cylinder 6, I pulled it out, and it turned out that one of the wires, it was already all corroded and everything. And then my spark plugs, I haven't changed them in a good while. Like they were like past due. So I changed them out. Went to O'Reilly's. The guy told me I still had 5-year warranty on them because I paid like $80-something for them. So I got the good ones, and I got these new ones, and he gave me he told me that I still had 3 more years of warranty on them. So what I'm gonna start doing from now on, I'm probably just gonna change them out every 6 months. Because I asked him, I was like, can I just go and change them like every 6 months? Like, even though they're still good. He's like, yeah, as long as they have warranty, you can change them out, you know, as many times as you want. Like, it don't matter. So I was like, all right, cool. So yeah, guys, so replaced the EGR valve, got new wires, fixed the 454. So finally, both of my trucks are running good. Up next is probably gonna be getting new tires for the Daytona, because I need some new rear tires. Because I'm kind of trying to save these, because there's gonna be a car show on March here in South Project Island, Texas. And they do burnout contests. And if you guys remember, last year I won Saturday and Sunday burnout contests. So, hey, who knows? I might win this year too. But I'm trying to save these, like the little bit that they have, so I could just put them on and do the burnout contest with these tires. So I have to get new tires for these, and I also got to get new tires for the 454. But since I don't really drive that truck that much, I'm not really super worried about getting new tires for that truck. But I am going to get them because they are kind of toast, like cracked and shit. So yeah, I gotta fix that. And what else? Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, guys, to motivate me to post some videos. I know I haven't been posting, but I'm going to try to post at least once or twice a week because I'm trying to grow this channel. I know a lot of you guys hit me up on Instagram and ask me like, what's up with the videos, keep posting. And yeah, guys, so I gotta keep posting for you guys. So y'all go subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So peace.